Hello, guys. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. If you're new here, I say thank you for stopping by and I wish you a warm welcome. Today, we are making turkey meatballs. Very simple, you can do it. We have here ground turkey. Now, for this recipe, we're not using breadcrumbs or eggs. Instead of breadcrumbs or eggs, we're gonna grind these chia seeds and use it as the binder. We also have here some vegetables: cilantro, parsley, onions, red pepper, green pepper, orange pepper, some garlic right here. And we have some salt. The first thing we're gonna do is to cut all the vegetables. So guys, this is the cilantro and parsley. I combined both of them together. Alright friends, so at this point we're going to grind the chia seed. Now if you want to use the breadcrumbs, it's still okay, or eggs, it's still fine. So friends, at this point, we'll be adding our vegetables. And first thing is a garlic, green pepper, red pepper, our onions, cilantro, parsley, yellow pepper, the chia seed powder or grounded chia seeds, and some salt. So at this point we're going to mix everything together. hands. So friends, at this point, we're molding this to whatever shape you like, okay? And we are going to bake it. Now, you can do this, right, and store in the freezer. So whenever you're ready, you can just take it out of the freezer, thaw it, and use it. It is so convenient. Friends, take a look at the turkey balls. They're not ready, but they look so nice. Put it in the oven and bake for like 15-20 minutes. Take a look at this beautiful turkey ball. Obviously, one is missing right here. I don't need to tell you what happened to that one, but what I did was the last few minutes, like 2-3 minutes of baking, I put it on broil just to have some color. See? Look at this. Look at how moist it is. Ooh, it's hot. Look. Look. Okay. Now, with this recipe, it tastes so good. No eggs, no breadcrumbs, okay? It's moist, tasty, smells good. Okay, so if you're watching your carbs, you don't have to worry because we don't have any bread in here. We used chia seed to bind it up. That's it. So guys, if you've been watching this video till this time, I say thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, God bless you all. Bye.